Welcome guys, so today I am with Edifier True Wireless Sound 330 and I'm gonna show you how you can pair them, basically how we can enter the pairing mode on these earphones and pair them to any wireless device, like for example the smartphone. So first of all, you have to remember to put them back to the case. Close the case, and also we have to remember to charge them at least to the 50% by using this USB-C input. Next, we'll use this back button. So we have to open the case and click and hold this button until this indicator on the front starts blinking on white. So let's make it right now. Click and hold and take a look on the indicator. As you can see right now, it is blinking quickly, so we have to remove this button and put this case close to your phone and do not close it. Then simply move to the Bluetooth settings and you will see that after a few moments they will pop on available devices list. As you can see, here they are. So that's how we can enter the pairing mode on this device. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.